Scholarly writing is a dynamic conversation, a vital exchange of ideas that clarifies thought and fosters new knowledge. Engaging in this dialogue through writing is essential as it not only communicates findings but also refines understanding. By seeking advice early, scholars can enhance their contributions, ensuring their work remains influential and relevant. Scholarship thrives on interaction within a community. Conversations among scholars shape understanding and highlight key issues. Written work is a vital contribution to these academic dialogues, influencing thought and defining fields. Engaging in these conversations, both orally and in writing, is essential for meaningful scholarly participation and advancement. Academic dialogue is a catalyst for research innovation. Engaging discussions among scholars can spark new insights and foster collaborations. These dynamic conversations involving multiple participants are essential in shaping research directions and enhancing scholarly work. Such interactions exemplify the vibrant exchange of ideas that propels academic progress. Writing is crucial for engaging in scholarly conversations, shaping understanding of academic norms. Each field has unique dialogues and assumptions. Writing not only communicates findings but also clarifies thoughts, fostering new knowledge. Engaging with others early can save time and enhance the conversational nature of writing, essential for active participation in scholarship. Good thinking and writing are deeply intertwined. Writing refines our thoughts, while thinking enhances our writing. This cycle involves drafting, revising, and seeking feedback, each step crucial for clarity and depth. Engaging in this process not only improves our ideas, but also prepares us for the timing of when to write, ensuring clarity and impact. Deciding when to start writing is pivotal. Begin too early and your thoughts may be underdeveloped. Wait too long and ideas become overwhelming. The key is to think before writing, then write to refine your thoughts. This balance ensures clarity and enhances your contribution to scholarly conversations. Identify key conversations and participants in your field. Engage with ongoing scholarly discussions to make a meaningful contribution. Understand the dynamics of these conversations as they shape your academic journey. By actively participating, you not only share your insights but also refine your understanding and influence the field's future direction. Seeking advice is crucial for refining your ideas and writing. Overcome the fear of sharing incomplete thoughts. Advice enriches scholarly dialogue and fosters progress. Engaging with others enhances your work, making it a vital part of academic growth. Establishing a writing community is vital for support and feedback. Diverse readers offer unique insights, enhancing your work. Reciprocity and trust are essential to sustain this community, fostering a collaborative environment where ideas flourish. This foundation prepares us to give effective advice, understanding writers' goals, and prioritizing constructive suggestions. Effective advice in writing requires understanding the writer's goals, highlight strengths, and prioritize suggestions without imposing personal agendas. This approach fosters a supportive environment, enhancing both the writer's and advisor's growth. By focusing on the writer's objectives, advice becomes a tool for mutual development, paving the way for reflective and supportive feedback. Reflecting on your own work when giving advice is essential. Supportive feedback fuels motivation, enhancing scholarship and creativity. Engaging in good conversation not only enriches academic dialogue, but also fosters a collaborative environment where ideas can flourish and evolve. Writing is a public responsibility, essential for engaging in scholarly conversations. Success in academia requires active participation and dialogue. By improving our conversational skills, we can overcome challenges and contribute meaningfully to the academic community. Let's embrace this responsibility and strive to be better conversants, ensuring our scholarly work makes a lasting impact.